Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of slope as unit rate. This is standard 8.4b in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 28 of the 2017 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So Lenore is paying $16.50 for every 6 shirts that she has dry cleaned. And so that's going to be our unit rate right there. $16.50 over every 6 shirts. So that's kind of interesting. So I'm wondering what that is as a unit rate. So I want to kind of reduce that. So let me take my 6, right? Let me divide that into 1650 just to see about what I've got. All right, 6 goes into 16 twice. That's 12. Just bring it down one number at a time. That's 7. That's 42. 30. Okay. $2.75 a shirt. Goes in evenly there. So that is $2.75 per shirt. You notice we keep doing the dollars on the top and the shirts on the bottom, so that is going to be our XY coordinates. But remember, when we're dealing with slope, right? And so we're looking at these lines. Since they are straight lines, we can calculate the slope, right? So the slope is going to be the change in Y over the change in X, or the rise over run, right? That's how we calculate slope. All that means we just need to take 2 y coordinates, subtract them, 2 x coordinates, and subtract them. And since we've got all of these as proportional linear relationships, that means they're going through the origin, which means we can use that as one of our points. There's nothing that says you cannot do that. But take a look. These dots don't seem to go exactly on the line. So I don't think we can actually calculate the exact slope, because take a look. Some of these dots, like this dot right here, looks like it's just barely above that 5 line. But look, it's between 5 and 10. I don't know exactly what that is. And this right here, look at that dot right there. The x coordinates are fine, but look at that y coordinate. It's between 15 and 20. I don't know how exact it is, because look, we're at $2.75 a shirt, so I don't know if it's whole numbers or decimals. Even this one right here, look at that line, that dot right there. It looks like it's just a hair above 10, but I don't know how far up. So you know what, we're just gonna have to estimate. Right, so this $2.75 per shirt really looks like it's $2.75. That's gonna be our y coordinate. Our x coordinate is going to be 1. So let's just estimate our 1 x's right here. So this is going to be our x of 1, and that looks to be about 2.5. So that's really close. That could be 2.75. Let's see what the other ones look like. Look at this 1 right here. Remember, I'm looking for an x of 1 and a y of 2.75. Oh, look at that. That's like 16.5 or something. That is too big. This is an x of 1. That looks like it's 10.5 or something. That's too big. Oh, wow, look at that one. This is an x of 1, and that's like 22.5. So all of these look like they're too steep. Let's see if I can find this one. 6 shirts for 16.5. So if I'm looking at my 6, yeah, that looks like 6. I could see that as 16.5. It's just right above that 15. All right, so we can estimate it. That's as close as we're going to get, simply because these y coordinates are not exact enough. But we verified it on 2 different points on our unit rate of 1, which is, 1 and 2.75, and our 6 and 16.5. So our answer here is F.